Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram and you see a stunning product. You click on the link and it takes you to a beautiful online store. You're intrigued, but you're also wondering how these people are able to source and sell such unique products without carrying any inventory. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping, Spocket. If you're new to dropshipping, it's essentially a business model where you sell products without ever holding inventory. You partner with suppliers who ship the products directly to your customers. This means you don't have to worry about storage, packaging, or shipping. Spocket is a platform that connects you with suppliers, offering a wide range of products from various niches. But the big question is, do you have to pay for Spocket to use this service? The short answer is, no, you don't have to pay for Spocket to use its basic features. You can create a free account and start browsing suppliers, products, and adding them to your store. However, there are premium plans available that offer additional benefits, such as more products, access to a wider range of products, including trending items and exclusive offers. Advanced filtering, filter products based on various criteria, like pricing, shipping time, and supplier ratings. Bulk importing, quickly add multiple products to your store with just a few clicks. Priority support, get faster and more personalized assistance from Spocket's support team. Weighing the pros and cons. So, should you upgrade to a premium plan? It depends on your business goals and needs. If you're just starting out, the free plan can be a great way to test the waters and see if dropshipping is right for you. However, if you're serious about scaling your business and want to access more features and benefits, a premium plan might be worth considering. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when using Spocket *. Quality control, always check the supplier reviews and ratings before ordering products. Shipping times, consider the shipping times when choosing products, especially if you're targeting customers in different regions. Branding, customize your store to match your brand identity and make it stand out. Customer service, provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. In conclusion, Spocket is a powerful platform that can help you start and grow your dropshipping business. While you don't have to pay for the basic features, upgrading to a premium plan can offer additional benefits. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for Spocket depends on your individual needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.